shoot on us from all directions. I remember that I look on my body, all my uniform covered in blood, but I'm in life. I opened the door and look, search from which side, shoot on me. And remember that all the back of the car, the trunk was exposure, because I have many bullets in the situation.
All the ammo.
Yeah, on me. Yoni staying alive. Yoni go out and run from this area, and Yoni hit by a bullet from the stomach and fell down from under the.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. I show you. And I try to shoot, and here was a soldier was hit by a bullet with all four, killed. One of them was waved, and I search something to run away because this was an ambush, ambushing us. And I start to shoot on this side, and on my running, I get 2 bullets in my leg and fell. I run fast. Okay. I fell. Fell down in this area. Partouche. איך אומרים רחפן? They have a drone, the terrorists.
The terrorists had a drone now.
Yeah, and he searched us where we are hiding, and they start to shoot on us. I start to crawling, but my leg was broken to 3 pieces, and I cannot move. And I start to crawling. Yeah, and this is the first time I saw Yoni. I was very happy because Yoni is the האדם האחרון שנשאר בחיים.
Last man alive.
In this situation, I feel alone. They shoot on me from all directions. I hear I'm injured. I thirsty, but ברמה שהיא לא מוסברת. It's plain.
Unimaginable need for water.
I remember that I came to Yoni and Shake Yoni. Yoni wanted that I leave him because the interest to him is near. And I take Yoni with my break leg and start to push him. Yoni is a heavy guy, and I think I bring him from this area. But Yoni wanted to leave him. I have not power on my body. I want to sleep, but I go out from this situation, shoot on the windows, and came back to Yoni. I think משהו כמו 40 דקות.
40 minutes.
I go Yoni, go to the windows, shoot, and I remember that my wife in the room, she hear all the reports and hear me call from help. Came forces to raid. תגיד להם שאחד החברים שלה אמר שדיברתי מאוד בשקט, והוא שאל אותי למה הייתי רגוע.
One of our friends told him that he was very calm in the radio machine, and he asked him, how could you be so calm when you report? He was very afraid that his wife that's sitting in the control room will know what happened to him. So.
And after 40 minutes, I remember that I feel that I was to close my eyes. I called aloud, שמע ישראל, השם אלוקינו, השם אחד, שיר למעלות, אשא עיניי אל ההרים, מאין יבוא עזרי. עזרי מעם השם. אחרי כמה דקות,
after a couple of minutes,
פשוט סוג של התרוממות רוח, פשוט התחלתי להיות...
he got very enlightened, got some powers.
חזרתי בדיוק לנקודה הזאת.
Back exactly on this spot.
והתחלתי לראות לכל הכיוונים.
He started shooting all over this place.
הגיע צוות של שוטרים שאני מזהה אותם בכניסה.
Police officers, a team of police officers came over there. You recognize them?
And they asked me how can you came to you, because you know I don't say but explosion of grenades. They put on grenades because
The drone above showed the terrorist that he's still alive, and they tried to kill him in every possible way. They threw grenades, they shot, they did everything, but.
And I say to this police to crawling here because they cannot hear. Came here, and I stay with two carriages.
Two carriages.
Yeah, and when they came here to me, they did not see Yoni. Yoni was covered on the blood and
Dust.
dust. Yeah, he was dirty. He looked like a terrorist himself. And I remember that this situation. Actually, I don't remember that. Remember me in the hospital that he came to me and wake me and put my.
You don't remember?
No. He
They told you afterwards what
yeah,
happened.
he remembered that I came, go, shoot, fall, and he came with me, shout, oh, wake up, and finger on my nickel, הוא אומר שהוא כאילו היה מופתע שהדבר שאמרתי לו שתעזוב אותי, לכו ליוני, כי הם לא
We
ראו
were very surprised that he said to them, "Leave me alone, go to Yoni. He needs help."
Yoni here from this.
You
Go,
said that?
yeah, go
Wow.
from Yoni and brief police, brief guy, take trunk, not armored trunk, go from this garden, from this situation, from this direction, go from all the terrorists shoot. Here was 4 police officers was נפרסו
Protecting it.
protecting. Everybody shoot.
They covered with fire while
Covered.
they put them on the trucks.
Put Yoni, put me, and go out. On crossroad Urim, they block ambulance, transfer me and Yoni. In this situation, the paramedic understand that we are in a difficult injured and ask a helicopter.
Oh wow.
And they transfer us to helicopter. And I remember that I wake up in Jerusalem in the night. And this is the story. It's, I have, from the explosion, I have many shrapnels on my body, 17, and 2 bullets in my leg. Actually, bullets from here and from here, but they go out from
Went through and
In
through.
and out.
in and out from one piece. But now I'm strong. I return to serve.
He's a lion.
My life here.
Wow.
I have no inside me.